Good morning, everybody. This is Guillermo with Live Trading with Guillermo. Today is Wednesday, November 13th, 2024. I am running the Ripper XAI Pro 3 contracts. Automatic stop and target enabled. Volatility shield is disabled, which is my usual setup. So this morning, I knew price action was going to be kind of hard to trade just because I know today is a news day. It's a news event. And when there's a news event, I like to wait just a little bit after 10 a.m. Pacific, which is 10 Eastern. That's when you kind of tend to see a lot of movement on a news day. And sure enough, today, inflation, I think, was up 0.2% or something like that. So it went up a little bit, which is typically not a positive, of course. So that made the market drop. So there was this big drop that you see on screen. I did not enter that trade. I wasn't sure if it was actually going to take off. And it did. I totally missed that move. So I jumped in right after that. I moved my stop, got my first trade, and then the bot immediately took the next trade after that. So once I got in the trade, it was off to the races. I got a nice big trade. Then it pulled back a little bit, and then it took off again. And then I got to, gosh, I want to say 1400 for the day. It was awesome. So yeah, yesterday I traded. I hit my daily loss limit yesterday, which was 750. So I did lose yesterday with this bot. The price action was just hard. It was just hard to trade yesterday. And if you traded, you probably saw that yourself. It was just stuck in a range. It was really hard to get things going. I was up in profit, but then I ended up giving all that back and then ended up having a losing day yesterday. So 750 yesterday, and I think I'm up 14 plus today. So I wiped out yesterday's losses and then put in another 750 in profit for this week so far. So can't ask for anything better than that. I was able to recover from not only yesterday, but I also put some money into the account, which is pretty darn cool. So you're going to see the final trade. I think I only traded for like 4.5 minutes, something like that. And then once it took off, it was awesome. I just kept moving my stop. I kept trailing it. I think it got up to like 1600, but by the time the bar closed and I got stopped out, I ended up just over 1400. But it was a sweet move. I was lucky, not lucky. I just was thankful that just getting to daily goal, I was pretty pleased about that. But it just kept going, so I just kind of let it run. And sometimes you get lucky like that, and the market keeps going your direction. I was actually surprised it was making a move to the top, actually, after a big move like that to the bottom, but it kept going. So I took, and I got most of that move. It was pretty nice. So with that, folks, I'm going to let you go. Enjoy the rest of the video. But man, Ripper XAI Pro just crushed it today. Waited till the news was released and market moved, and I took advantage of that. So with that, have a great morning, and I'm going to catch you on the next video. Take care.